Recently I done a lovely little install for a plug-and-play A-Sure stereo that can fit in pretty much any car. The company A-Sure has just come back to me again and they would like me to have a look at their lovely little replica install radio for our beautiful Mercedes SL. And bearing in mind that our cars are 20 plus years old, if you look at this image here, the type of stereo that you guys might have could be this one here with the little SD card at the top, or it might be that style there. This is the one that I have where I've got a CD slot but not the SD card. This one they don't do a replacement radio for, but if you've got the other three it can look like this, and I think that's a really nice, simple, sleek look to our cars, and it keeps it in keeping. Actually, it doesn't look like it's added in. To me that looks like a lovely addition. If I move down slightly on the page here, it tells you about the setup, and you can have far more information that you would normally do. Obviously things like your sat nav, you're going to be able to get the real lifetime information, and I'm pretty sure it's going to have your Android and your Apple CarPlay setups as well. It shows you the harnesses, and if you've got a fiber optic system, etc., then you tell the company that and they'll provide you with the bespoke wiring loom as well, and it comes with all the connections. It would come with a microphone, so there's an idea. If you haven't got a hands-free in your car, you can now have hands-free, and it looks to be a lovely little wide double din touchscreen that is going to fit into your beloved Mercedes. So keep watching. Hopefully you subscribed. You will get notification when I provide this update, but it's winging its way to me as I create this short little video, and I look forward to installing it.
Let's move on, 'cause it's time to move